Good morning, don't hop out. You crawl from the cancer to land on your feet. Crazy hero of it, even for a while. We're making this shit up. Reasons to be easy to pay. You can't remember the others. It's kind of annoying. You're driving, it's rush hour. Cars on the freeway moving like studs when you drift off to wake up. You always hit the brakes. Strange days are coming, you're gone, you're gone, you're dead or dying, either dead or trying to go. You're tired, sleepwalk roll by out to the street. You crazy, you don't want this, even for a while. You're driving, it's rush hour. The cars on the freeway are moving backwards into a wall of fire. Backwards into a wall of